ইউনিক ব্যাংকিং চ্যানেল থেকে আমি একেএম নুরুল ইসলাম বলছি। আসসালামু আলাইকুম ডিয়ার ব্রাদার্স অ্যান্ড সিস্টার্স। আমি এখন কয়েকটি ব্যাংকিং টার্ম সম্পর্কে আলোচনা করব। ফার্স্ট অফ অল, quasi negotiable instrument. The instrument which has some characteristic that a negotiable instrument has, but not all, such as bill of lading, which has some characteristics of negotiable instrument, but not all, as a bill of exchange or a check. Now, quotation. Quotation is a statement of the price of an item to be supplied. A stated price at which a person or a company is ready to do some intended job or provide a service. All types of quotations are subject to some terms and conditions. Now, real account. Real account, the proprietary account. This is balance sheet account that is carries forward into the next year. It is also termed as nominal account. Red clause. A clause typed in red letter inserted in a documentary letter of credit authorizing the advising bank to grant pre-shipment credit facility to the exporter up to 100% of the credit amount to enable him to purchase the goods and subsequently bank can reimburse the amount by negotiating the shipping documents plus interest for the accrued period. Redemption. The exchange of securities for cash or may be for other securities at the time of the date, that is on redemption. Reinsurance. In order to diversify the risk, the insurance company who issues the original policy or certificate insuring the risk will insure certain amount themselves, and rest risk is put to a reinsurance company. Policy involving a large sum, the insurer must see the copy or reinsurance treaty for his own interest as to whether the reinsurance arrangement has been made or not. Revocable credit. This type of credit, although issued by the bank, but it must be treated with due care. This credit can be revoked or cancelled at any time without the consent of or notice of the beneficiary. In modern banking, the use of revocable credit is not widespread. Revolving credit. In commercial banking, a loan limit is sanctioned to a regular borrower for a certain period. Under this credit limit, as many times he wants, but within the validity. Thus, the borrower repays a portion of the loan, an amount equal to the repayment can again regain in the limit for drawing by the client. That is, repayment amount can be drawn by the client under the same terms and conditions without filing cash loan application, without filing fresh loan application. In international trade, the revolving documentary credit is one where the amount of credit is automatically renewed or reinstated without any specific amendment to the credit. Under this type of credit, the amount taken away from the top can be automatically added at the bottom. However, this credit revolves in relation to both time and value. Right issue. A new issue of company securities offered to the existing shareholder at a face value. The shareholders who do not come forward to take up their rights make their shares available to the general public. Right of first refusal. It means first offer of the bidding amount to be given to an individual or concern as mentioned in the tender documents. Assalamu alaikum.